Hi, how are you? My name is Tayyip. Today we have this shaper. I got a battery issue, so we're gonna do a disassembly on it. This one is shaper series 5. As you see, it's a blinking red light on the battery. So we're gonna open it and see what's going on with it. We might have to do a battery replacement on it. So for that, you're gonna need 2 screwdrivers and a plunger. The first screwdriver we're using now is the T9. Sorry, this is I think it's T6, and the other one is T9, and the plunger. So we're gonna start first by just removing this cap here. So we're gonna use the plunger for that. So you can just hold it here. Come off. It has like a clip on it. This one here. There you go. And the other thing is has a screw here in the back. So for that, we're going to use the T6. Cap comes off, and then simply just pull this up like that. And we have 4 screws here. 1, 2, 3, 4. So first we're gonna remove this. And use a plunger for that. There you go. And open the 4 screws. And we're gonna open this button. Just make sure not to lose this. The way you put this back, it's like that. So the hook has to be, this hook has to be on top, like it's holding that. And this goes like this. So just remove it. We're gonna put it back later. Over here. There you go. And to remove the main board, simply lift up from the bottom here and then pull it. So this is the battery. So we can remove the battery. And there you go. So when you get a new battery and you want to install the new battery, make sure the positive side is in the bottom here. Don't flip it, and this will burn the main board. So it's better to take a look at that. The positive is in the bottom here, like this. Okay, that's it for today. I hope you find my video useful. Please, if you could help, hit like and subscribe to my channel. I'm new on YouTube, so make like more videos hopefully in the future. And thank you very much. Have a good day.